In an ever-evolving manufacturing landscape, finding a partner that offers both cutting-edge technology and cost-effective solutions is paramount.
That's where we come in. CNC and Additive Technologies with Design to Product Limited.
Our expertise in CNC milling and turning brings your intricate designs to life.
With precision that speaks volumes of our commitment to quality.
With additive manufacturing, we embrace the future, leveraging LPBF, SLS, FDM, MJF, SLA, and PolyJet technologies.
We turn complex visions into reality, layer by layer.
Through rapid and vacuum casting,
we create high-quality prototypes and small series productions that set the standard for excellence.
For high-volume needs, our injection molding process ensures your parts are produced with unmatched accuracy and finish.
Every single time.
With access to over 700 vetted manufacturers, we guarantee a perfect match for your specific requirements, delivering unparalleled precision at competitive prices.
At Design to Product Limited, we don't just manufacture. We innovate, we excel, we transform visions into achievements. Your journey to excellence starts here. Design to Product Limited, where your ideas meet innovation.
If you are interested in discussing more about our CNC and additive technologies, or you need aerospace standards AS 9100 and ITAF 16949, you can book a meeting through our Calendly link listed on this video.